Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Chris. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about why you need to install Honda wheel spacers with hub-centric. Let's go. Hub-centric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. Hub-centric wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced, but most aftermarket wheels are actually lug-centric. For this reason, we recommend the use of hub-centric spacers or hub-centric rings. Bonus wheel spacers has a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.